Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei P30 Pro, and today I'll show you how to set up a fingerprint. So we'll go into settings, and from settings you'll have, if I guess you don't have it, it will show into suggested set up fingerprint, or you can go into security if it's not visible there, and privacy, and you have right here fingerprint ID, so you can just tap on it, and you will need to set up a locking method other one than fingerprint, and you can by default ask you to put a pin, but you can actually choose different method. So I'm gonna choose a pattern, and then I will draw the pattern, and I will need to repeat the same pattern one more time. And once I've done that, I will tap on done, and from here I will basically select what the fingerprint ID will do, which is unlock the device, access safe, and other stuff. So I'm gonna just select unlock device, and I'm gonna go into add fingerprint, and now I need to start pressing my finger in this area for the phone to scan it. So let's do that. Yeah, and once it's done, you can rename it by tapping and renaming, say finger, tap on OK, and you can add another one if you like, or just keep this one. And once it's done, you can just exit this, and now if I tap on it, you can see this little barely visible thing. You can see it. You can just press your finger to it, and it will unlock the device, and you don't need to wake the screen up or anything. So this is how you add a fingerprint ID to your phone. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.